Hello, this is how we jive for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can move your old WhatsApp from your old iPhone that I have iPhone 14 Plus to iPhone 15 Plus. In this case, you can do that to iPhone 15 Plus Pro and Pro Max or any other version of Apple device. So we have to go to our old phone. This is iPhone 14 Plus. And we have to go to WhatsApp. In WhatsApp, we have to go to here setting option. You see here, very important. In setting option, you have to go to chat option, chat. And here in the chat, you see chat backup. Hit this one. Here is one option. It says backup now. Should be auto backup daily. Hit backup now. It's done. So now you have to have same Apple account from your old iPhone to your new iPhone in this case. In your new iPhone, you have to go to App Store. Okay, here you have to hit the searching option. You have to type WhatsApp. You see, after typing WhatsApp, you will see this option WhatsApp Messenger. Hit to download this one. Okay, it's done. I'm gonna hit to open my WhatsApp here. Hit agree and continue. I have to put my phone number here. I have to hit done button. It should be the same phone number from old one to new one. Hit done button. You see, this is very important. Restore from chat history is the same backup I had in my old phone with the same Apple account. If you have different Apple account, it's not gonna work. You should have same Apple account. So here, restore from chat. I hit this one. Is restoring all the data from my chat, older chat of other phone. Okay, all is done. You see many things is restoring, is still at the top. So lovely. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye bye.